Are you tired of minimizing windows just to access the recycle bin? In this quick tutorial, you'll learn how to turn any folder into a recycle bin shortcut, perfect for boosting productivity and cleaning up faster. This trick works with just a few steps, no third-party apps required. Please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel if you find this guide helpful. Now let's get started. So to turn a folder into a recycle bin, we are first going to create a folder on the desktop. So I'm going to right click on the desktop, and then I'll click on new and then folder. Okay, so I'm going to name the folder recycle bin. Okay, so I'll double click the folder, and then we are going to create a shortcut in the folder. So I'm going to right click inside the folder, then I'm going to go to new and then shortcut. Okay, so we are going to paste a script in the shortcut. So let me open my notepad quickly. And then this is the script you are going to paste in the shortcuts. So I'll leave the script at the description below, and then you can try it and leave your comment at the comment section, okay, whether it works or not. So I'm going to right click on it, and then I'm going to click on copy. Then I'll close the notepad and paste it here, okay, Control V. Then I'm going to click on next. Then I'll name the shortcut as recycle bin. Okay, then I'll click on finish. Okay, so now we have a shortcut in the folder by name recycle bin. So I'm going to right click on the shortcut, and then I'll go to properties. Then we are going to change the folder icon. Okay, so I'm going to click on change icon, and then we change the icon to a recycle bin icon. But if you look at my icons here, I don't have recycle bin. So I'm going to click on the browse, then I'm going to click on the desktop, then I'm going to click on all files, then I'll select an icon I downloaded. Okay, it wouldn't permit me to use this icon though, but let me show you the trick. Then I'll click on open. So you see the file, you see it's a PNG file that contains no icon. So I'm going to click on OK, and then I have all the icons now. Okay, so I'm going to change the icon to the recycle bin icon. Then I'll click on OK, and then apply, and then OK. So now you see we've changed the icon to the recycle bin icon. Okay, so let me first show you the items in the trash or the recycle bin. Okay, so these are the items I have in the recycle bin. Okay, so if I close this and I go to my recycle, then I open my recycle bin in the folder, you see I have the same items in the recycle bin in the folder. So let me close the folder, and you can access it if you click on the file explorer and you go to your desktop. You can access your recycle bin here. Okay, so I can double click on it and then access my recycle bin. Okay, so let me empty the recycle bin in the folder. Okay, so I'll click on empty and then yes, so everything is gone. So let me close the folder and then go to the recycle bin. Okay, you see now the recycle bin is empty. So this is a quick way of creating or turning a folder into a recycle bin. Please, if you find this guide helpful, then please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.